show us. Oh, damn it, it's wet. Oh, I lost track of her. There she is. Where's the frisbee? I lost track of her again. Here she go. Where's the frisbee? No, not a pine cone. Not a pine cone. A frisbee. Let's go find a I bet there's one over here somewhere. Come on. I've lost track of her again. Where'd she go? There you are. You snuck up on me. Alright, okay, we'll play with pine cones. I can't throw a pine cone. I could probably pine cone be easier to throw than a frisbee right now. Oh no, look at the big old wet spot. Yeah, I'm doing this in bare feet too. Smart, ain't it? Where's one? Here, I'll get this one. Ah! Oh man, this is a stupid idea. Oh, I got a puppy playing in the rain. I just hope you don't figure out that hey, look, whatchamacallit, it's not full of water like everything else. Oh, ready? Go down. I threw the thing for you. No, don't you eat plants. And the road's soaking. Damn. Come on, let's go find a toy, or you're going to have to go inside because this is ridiculous. Come on, you. Let's go inside. No, don't get through that. Don't get into that. Not you. I'll get you. Oh, there she is. Come on, let's go in. Let's go in. No. Fudge, I can't find her. Wait, I want to show these things. Right here. This is coming up real good right here. A bunch of them here. A bunch of them here. All over this thing. Oh, damn it, she's running over there now. Bernice! Come on! Come on, Bernice! No, we're going in. We're going in. Damn it. Come on, we're going in. In. And that's our